Adventures. We are starting our first drone flight today with the drone.
So bear with us as we go through the process of launching a drone for the first time and learning the ins and outs of that process. Again, it's a little windier today, so on this video I'm using the wind cancellation function on GoPro 9, where on previous videos I have not. I do run the microphone additional setup on the GoPro 9, so we'll see if there's any difference in quality and the sound today. Come along for the ride. It's time to get up, get out, and get lost.
Bye.
Here's Tate giving it a try. We are conducting our test flights today at 5 Mile Dam, just outside of Kyle, Texas. The city of Kyle closes the dam during the winter months, and it should open up later this spring. It serves as a great place to fish, kayak, and swim.
It is landing now,
Using the go home function.
and it's going back to exactly how it was on the ground. It's kind of weird. Oh, that's nice. How you like it?
I think it's going to be a fun toy to play with. We'll see how the video quality turns out, and so we're going to end our short little video here, and we'll upload some video footage from our flight and add it to the channel. So appreciate you guys. Get up, get out, get lost today. Do something fun and adventurous. Thanks again for watching Broca's Compass Adventure.